Gurudev, while we are celebrating the 78th Independence Day today, women still don't feel the freedom to step out of the house at whatever time they want or wear what they wish. When will the women feel truly free and independent in this country?
Well, we cannot generalize this. You see women all over at all times in this country. Yeah, here and there certain very unpleasant incidents have occurred in the recent days that shows the amount of frustration and lack of morality, ethics in the society. But at the same time, you see, there are Navratra is going to come and people and women are going to be there. People are dancing and they are partying. All that is happening. But there are pockets in this country which still are not very safe. Unfortunately, they have to be dealt with an iron fist very strongly, and one should condemn any such atrocity on women or children, on elderly people. It's something that's very serious, and we have to take it up, because we can't allow the culture of the society to go into this wrong path, the culture of the society to diminish, and a culture of violence to take over what has not been part of India for millenniums. So, a lot of awareness need to be created and a lot of work need to be done also. And we can't imagine in India when doctors are peacefully demonstrating, they are there to save the lives of the people, and they have been attacked. And these attackers some other time will have to go to hospital. Just they should imagine who would treat them. And this shows such a lack of awareness. And some of these politicians, they would give a few hundred rupees, a few thousand rupees. For money's sake, they are ready to do anything. For no reason, why would a mob would enter a place unless they have been tutored to give tutored and given some money? Can't understand. There is no injustice done to anybody, and a mob comes and attacks the doctors in a hospital. That shows that too in a province which is known for its spirituality, a province where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had come, a place where Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was there, place of devotion and philosophy. Aurobindo has come from there. All the great philosophers have been there. From that place, a whole mob behaving in such a way indicates the spirituality has not been inculcated neither in the education nor in their family life. I mean, someone sensible can never do such thing. That to go and attack a hospital, you don't know how many patients were there. This is unheard of a mob doing. Okay, something happened to somebody's, people get, emotionally upset. Here, a doctor has been killed, raped and killed. That's totally unacceptable. And people supporting such Asuri minded people, Asuri minded, individuals is not India. It doesn't show, it's not the culture of this country. Not at all.